In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the price of a product on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, make sure you have your browser open and ready. We're going to log in to your Gumroad account. If you haven't done so already, type in gumroad.com in your browser's address bar. Once the website loads, look for the login button, which is usually found in the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you will land on your Gumroad dashboard. This is the hub of your account, where you can manage various aspects of your products, sales, and overall store. In this dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Products. It can typically be found on the left-hand side menu. Just click on it to move forward. Now that you're in the Products section, you'll see a list of all the products you've uploaded and are selling. Browse through this list until you find the product whose price you want to change. Just click on the product title, and it will take you to the settings for that specific item. Once you're on the product settings page, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the pricing area. This section will allow you to alter the price of the product as well as the currency in which you want to sell it. If you're looking to change the price, simply click on the price box and enter the new amount that you want to set. Make sure to double-check the figure you enter, as this is the price your customers will see when they view your product. If you also need to change the currency, you'll want to look for a drop-down menu or a similar option right next to the price field. By clicking on this, a list of different currencies will appear. Select the currency that you wish to use. It's essential to ensure that your pricing aligns with your target market, so choose wisely based on where most of your customers are located. After you've made the necessary changes to the price and currency, take a moment to review everything. Confirm that the new price reflects what you intended to set. If you're good to go, look for the Save Changes button, which is typically located at the bottom of the page or maybe on the right side. Click that button, and you should see a confirmation that your changes have been successfully saved. And just like that, you've updated the price of your product on Gumroad. It's a straightforward process, and now your customers will see the updated pricing the next time they visit your product page. If you have multiple products that need price changes, simply repeat these steps for each one. Before we wrap up today's video, let's quickly recap what we've done. We logged into your Gumroad account, navigated to the product section, selected the product to edit, adjusted the price and currency, and finally saved our changes. Remember, pricing strategy is crucial in online selling, so be sure to keep an eye on your competitors and adjust your prices as necessary to remain competitive. If you're ever unsure about pricing, consider conducting a survey or asking your community for their opinions. It can provide valuable insight. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps create more tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like to learn about Gumroad, please leave a comment below. Until next time.